guys, I'm Hope.
And I'm Joy.
And we are a copy
of a copy.
And you're watching Clone Reacts. Hey guys, so
we are
news.
So Ateez came out today and we are so dumb because we thought it was the 3rd of the 3rd. But
so we had to rush, guys. We weren't even ready. We were just like, oh my gosh, they came out.
So if you watch our reaction to the teaser that we posted literally like a minute ago, we had said we're going to be the first to react to this when it comes out. But we lied because we thought it was on the 3rd of the 3rd.
The whole day we've been really busy editing some videos. So
you have a lot of stuff to watch after this. But we're making sure that we post this as soon as possible. Anyway, without further ado,
let's get into it. So Ateez has released a song called Fireworks. I'm the One. So you remember, first thing you should do, remember to like, subscribe, and comment.
And check out our Instagrams. Besides that, let's get into it.
Let's go. I'm actually excited. And it's Woo Song.
We're still getting used to them. Fireworks. Is it volume high?
And it's English. Yeah. I love this.
Ooh, so what? Songhwa. Yo-sang. That's what his name is. Yo-sang, I think. San.
Body.
Let's hear. Joy, you look so good. The makeup they did on his face. This is like sexy.
The voice.
Mingy.
Oh, Mingy was here.
Mingy.
Yunho!
Jungho!
Hojo!
Sun!
Hey, what?
Wooyoung!
You know!
Okay, let's stop. I'm the one in my zone. Ooh. Look at those drunk fools. Sun and that hair.
Oh! Who got so hot?
Wooyoung.
I need to breathe. So clear. Drop a skincare routine.
That deep voice.
He's just fine.
I feel like him and Hyun
they got money. We'll be friends.
Noria, Noria, yeah. The lyrics are here, guys.
Oh, Songhwa. On fire.
Ay.
Oh man.
This live is probably so killer.
I don't know, can you guys hear us? We're just like watching it so loud. But anyways.
Yeah. Ooh. Jungho.
The
voice.
Honey.
Oh, Sun. They will put you some.
The thing is, they covered Songhwa's nice face. I love his face, but the hair is like covering his face.
The red! Songhwa with the leather! What the hell? Yo! You know! Oh! Son! He attacketh!
He cameth! He attacketh!
So, I'm guessing Fireworks is Bull Noria.
It's over? No way. No way.
No.
Have we know?
Okay,
yeah,
never mind.
If you know Ateez, it's never over. Who's this?
Who's this?
That's always Mingy.
Who is Mingy? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. No. That's We approve of this message.
Yes. Claire approves of it.
Firstly, I gotta say, I don't think they ever disappoint.
Never.
Never.
I think the only thing that's sad, which most people feel at the moment, is that
And
Mingy's
everyone
not
told
there.
us that Mingy's not here
You
because
know,
he's away.
but
they still killed it.
They still killed it. The red outfits.
The red.
San with
We
that
did not
kratza.
with the
Kratza. Oh, okay, hi.
somehow with that like wet hair.
I think I really like that hair, but I wanted to see his face more. Like, I'm invested in Sungwa's face. Like, not he's very talented as well, but his face is just.
But I'm sorry.
You know what I'm saying?
I
You know what
think
I'm saying?
Ateez is just a group that is just
They
from what
performance
we
quality.
from people who are like new Atiny's, if we can call ourselves that. I don't know. You guys are probably gonna come for us, but they really just performance after performance. They just draw you in.
Yeah.
They're good looking. They're good at music. They're the
talented.
total package.
Talented
For again,
kings.
they're killing it.
Talented king.
Killing it.
And that's a lot.
And
period.
apparently they're also coming out on Kingdom, so we're gonna be watching.
Yeah.
Very closely.
I think Kingdom's gonna be really hard to decide because we have a lot of
face,
people that we
Stray
really
Kids,
like.
Icon.
Oof.
You know,
And now Ateez. So it's
Come
gonna be
on,
really hard.
come on. So guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this. So sorry that it's late, and I know you guys wanted to see it like when it was released.
But you know what?
But
Better
you know-
late than never.
Better late than never.
You know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, before as we're ending, remember to like,
Subscribe, and comment.
And if you guys have any other suggestions of things you guys would like us to watch and react to,
Please
let us know.
do.
Please do.
Please do.
And
Anyway,
on that
guys,
note, bye-bye.